My voice is gone, but let's let's do an unboxing today. And like, share, subscribe, and whatever you have to do in YouTube. So I have 4 packages here. Some of them will be Christmas gifts. And let's see. So this, I know what it is. It's a small package, very well done. And it's, come on, it's a deodorant, I think. Yep, nice, no damage, whatever. Next, this is kind of funny. This should be toothpaste in a very large bag. Let's open it up. I just want to show you how they ship stuff over here. And that's toothpaste for you. Well, it's my favorite brand and all, and a large bonus whatever quantity, but yeah, this is not acceptable. At least do they have that thing on the... oh yeah, they have the foil. Okay, so nobody used it, but somebody sat on it. I'll make a note of it for the retail store, whatever you call it, or the shipping company. Yeah, that's better. So this should be this big. It will be a gift. Come on, where do you open this? Oh, on the dotted line. Yeah. Like this. And it's a garbage bag now. Oh boy, these are small. That's funny. I had no idea how these look, but yeah, they will be gifts. Hopefully I'll be able to put some magnets on them. But yeah, kind of what I expected. Whatever. This is good. Well packaged, protected. A-okay. Let's see the other one. This may also have some damage. It has stainless steel bowls in it, hopefully. So let's open it up. Oh, come on, out. Okay, so let me zoom out. These seem very well packaged and no damage, but let's see. Individually wrapped in some sort of plastic. Okay. Yeah, they seem okay. Yep, they were $1 each. So I didn't expect this quality, but yeah, way to go. I bought from this manufacturer before a frying pan, and it was also very good. So yeah, good shape, kind of sturdy. You can use it for DIY projects, maybe a lamp. Make a hole here, put the light bulb there, and it's a lamp. But I think these will be gifts and be used as used for food. Okay, so like, share, share, subscribe. That's what you're supposed to say in the beginning and the end of every video. And I'll bring you more unboxings, and I think I'll do an RGB controller next.